Hey, do you love SwimSwam as much as I do? Then subscribe to our YouTube channel below. If we get 1 million followers, I might just eat 1 million pancakes. Only one way to find out. Practice some pancakes. As always, I'm your host, Coleman Hodges. We are here in Manhattan, New York at the Midnight Express Diner. Let's check out this Midnight Express morning variety plate. You got your eggs, you got your sausage, you got your taters, and you got your pancakes. We just went to a practice with Asphalt Green Swim Club, smack dab in the middle of the Upper West Side. Because they are a club team with 300 plus members in the middle of New York City, they have to get creative with their pool time to get everyone on their club enough pool space. So that means their top national group practices Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday through Thursday with Fridays off. It's Saturday morning today, meaning they're just coming off of their off day, which was Friday. After an early morning commute from Brooklyn to Manhattan, we have made it to Asphalt Green. Practice is just about to get started. Everyone is anxiously waiting to get in the pool. Getting ready for an IM set this morning, and Coach David had some really great thoughts on how to warm his group up for the optimal IM workout.
Normally, as we're getting ready for our IM work, we'll do some breaststroke pull to kind of set up, make sure that their hands feel efficient as that part. But more importantly, we do a lot of backstroke warm up with a strap. We teach in the IM to try to make sure that they don't over kick or try to kick as little as possible, especially in the 400 IM. So we teach them to kind of keep that strap and make sure that they try to keep their feet up high in the surface as they're working on their tempo, because we think that having fresh legs going into that breaststroke leg is really important, so we spent a fair amount of time on that.
Once everyone was warmed up, the IM set got going. There was 200s, there was 50s of primary stroke. It was great.
For any of our alumni that watches the classic set for us, that we try to really challenge them to get tired during the rounds of 200 IMs, and then they're going to go from those 200 IMs, they're going to go into some 50s primary that we're asking them to be fast. The set basically is 3 rounds of 200 IMs, 3 of them, that then go into a little bit of an easy swim into 450s primary. We cycle through that 3 times. We change the intensity of the 200 IMs as they go by rounds. The 50s are always going to be fast. So we're looking for those IMs to start to get down closer into what we think the back half of the 4 IM should look like, and then ultimately those 50s, if they can hit that 200 pace mark, full 200 pace mark, we're pretty happy about that on this interval. 3, 4, 25, 6, 6, 1, 28, 3 failed, 26, 4, 8, 3, 8, 8. There you go, Clark, I need more like that. 25, 8, 26, 3, 30.3, 30.5, 29, 8, 32, 8, 33, 5, 4, 5, 25, 7, there you go, Max. 28, 1 fell. 5, 5, very nice. 24, 7, 6, 5, 26, 5, 8, 4, 9, 1, 5, 8, 7, 8, 8, 5. There's your stuff over there. 5, 8. Last one. All right, here we go, guys. Last left here. 25 sixes. Not a way to end the set like that. Good stuff. As soon as they're done with this round, we're gonna go right into that 300 easy.